Hello, my name is Diana. I am here at the Urban Farming Institute. I'm here to show you a really quick and easy chia seed pudding. This chia seed pudding comes together real quick. I do it on a Sunday night for the whole week. I'll make a big batch of it and I'll put it in the fridge overnight. Then on Monday morning, when it's time to go to work, I'll take the chia seed pudding out. I'll put it on the table with some toppings for the kids. They absolutely love it. It doesn't even last all week. Every time I make it, it's gone within about 3 days. I always like to start with the milks and mixing it all in with all the different ingredients I'm going to put into the pudding first, because otherwise the chia seeds will tend to clump together. So we're going to do about 2 cups of coconut milk. Two cups. We're going to do 1 cup of whatever your preferred plant-based milk is. I really like Ripple. Ripple is made with pea proteins. It's new on the market and it's got the best, smoothest taste in my opinion. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now this is the sticky part. This is the part that if you mix this in after the chia seeds, it's going to clump the chia seeds together. It's going to be harder to mix. All right, and then a couple teaspoons of your vanilla. Whoop! That's a lot of vanilla. It's going to be good. All right, now I'm going to do about half a cup of chia seeds. A good ratio is about a 1-to-5 ratio. Chia seeds to liquid. Maybe a little bit more. Of course, that's on preference. If you like it thicker or thinner, you can do like a 1-to-6 ratio. But that's it. We have all our ingredients, and we just mix that together. I mix it together, and then I wait about 5 minutes. I mix it together again, and then I put it back in the fridge. That way, none of those seeds sink to the bottom, and you get a really good consistency in your chia seed pudding. Oh, let me put a little pinch of salt. I always like a little pinch just to round out the flavor. There we go. Now, we're going to put that into the fridge. All right, now that we've let our chia seed mixture sit overnight, you see it has this pudding consistency. So it's really soaked up the liquid. And now we can top it and make it look really pretty. So we're going to take our mangoes and we're going to put our mangoes on. We're going to take some strawberries, lay those. The strawberries, the juices of the strawberries are really good with the coconut milk that we put in. It really has a good mixture when it mixes together. So this is really great. And we'll get some of these mint leaves that we have in here. Add a little extra flavor into that. Here we go. And our kiwis. So this is really going to bring that tropical flavor to the dish. And we got our coconut milk, our kiwis, our strawberries, our mangoes. The chia seeds are full of omega-3s. It's really important. If you have a plant-based diet, you really want to make sure you get those omegas from something like your chia seeds. Alrighty, there you go. I like to do a little drizzle of my maple syrup over top. And that's it. Breakfast for the week. If you like this recipe and you want to see more, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to find us on Instagram, look us up at UFIORG or find us on Facebook at the Urban Farming Institute, Oakland Park, Florida. We'll see you soon.